Did you know that there's a detailed note in each of my tutorial videos in the description of the video? Let me show you. So now, once we come to YouTube, open your YouTube app. Once I open my YouTube app, then wait. I'm on another account. Okay, this is one of my videos. Let me just click on this video. So once I open the video, so it's playing an ad, I'm coming. So now I can check the description of my video like this and see more. You can see that there's a free class notes download here. Once you click on the link, there, and it will take you to the note directly. It's very, very simple. There's a detailed note on every of my class in the description of the video. So now for this one, for the not-for-profit, look at the note. The note is very detailed. This was the note I used to explain. So if you are looking for the note I'm using to explain, you can just check the description of my video. It is there and you can easily access it without any problem. Thank you very much.